Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to edit a table in an image in PowerPoint. Often, tables are found in images or PDF files, which aren't editable. This can be frustrating if the image doesn't match the theme of your PowerPoint slides, or if you spend a long time manually recreating the table. Let's see how you can do this quickly and easily. First, go to ppt.gptci.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, please watch our tutorial on how to create one. Next, find the image with the table you want to convert. In this example, I'm using Google Image Search to find a table comparing different AI models. The table in the first image looks good for my presentation. Enlarge the image, right-click, and select Copy Image. Return to the ppt.gptsci.com website and click the button to paste the image. In the preview, make sure it's the correct image. Then click Create PowerPoint Slide, which will use 1 credit. After a few seconds, you'll see a button to download the .pptx file. Open the file, and you can now edit the table in PowerPoint. In this example, the table has merged cells, so the format isn't identical to the original. Don't worry, it's easy to fix. First, copy the text for the first column into the appropriate cells. You can delete empty rows by right-clicking and selecting Delete Rows. Next, select the cells corresponding to the same type of AI model and merge them. Do the same for other similar cells. Now, let's adjust the font size of the entire table to 12. Resize the table to fit the slide. Some columns might have a lot of text, making them take up many rows. Adjust the width of each column to give more space to those with lots of text. After some adjustments, the table should fit nicely on the slide. PowerPoint offers many table styles to choose from. Open the Table Design tab and try a few styles. You can select from light, medium, or dark groups, or choose one suggested by PowerPoint. Finally, you can directly edit the title to explain the table. And that's it. This is the fastest way to transfer any table you find into a PowerPoint slide. I hope this helps you save time. Thanks for watching.